Lesson 3, cultivating an artist, developing characteristics that nurture studio habits for the artist. Let's dive right in. Let's recap our understanding. How we achieve those roles as artists. We develop habits in the art room to guide us from perception to creation of art. In our previous lesson, we discussed the 8 studio habits of mind: engage and persist, reflect, stretch and explore, express, develop craft, envision, understand arts community, and observe. What do the habits mean? We talked about this in our last lesson. Here again are the terms with their definitions. Now we're ready for part 2, knowledge to application. In this lesson, we're going to focus on stretch and explore, understand arts community, develop craft, and engage and persist. Let's look over to the application part. Stretch and explore. Look at other materials such as collage, photograph, or mixed media that you can use to create a work of art. So that means you're just going to do something different than what you did the first time. Maybe the first time you drew in pencil. Maybe this time you decide to draw in pen. Maybe you decide to do a collage. Just do something different to stretch yourself and explore. Understand arts and community. Research how other artists may have created works of art about these topics. Remember to write down the artists you may find for reference. This is always good so that you can go back to your sketchbook. And this is just you researching different artists. They can even be on social media platforms. Develop craft. Finally, redo the assignment, adding to or improving the initial thought, idea to enhance the aesthetics and audience perspective. If you drew a composition in red, maybe you want to change the colors a little bit. Maybe you want to add something to the background or embellish it. Or maybe you decided that you found an app online that was free and you want to do a completely new design that's digital. We welcome that, and that's okay. Last is engage and persist. Continue to work on the art and extend your abilities and attempt to alleviate the done attitude. There's always something more that we can do to a work of art. At some point, we will get to an area where the composition or the work of art is resolved, but let's just experiment for the moment and enjoy the idea of what can be. Here's some examples of some final projects.